Alright, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how I make these cute little crocheted earrings. You can obviously do whatever you want with them. They're just cute little appliques, and honestly they take like maybe 10 minutes to throw together. Super freaking easy. Alright, so what you're gonna need is whatever yarn you want to use. This is the sugar and cream cotton. That's really my favorite to use, but you can use whatever you like. A 3.0 crochet hook, whichever ones you like. Also for the eyes I use felt, but if you want to crochet some you can as well. But I printed off a pattern. I just did a Google search for alien eyes, printed them off, and traced them onto the felt and cut them out. Also scissors. And then for the eyes I use this glue. It's an all-purpose glue for fabrics, wood, pretty much whatever you like, and it dries clear pretty quickly too as well. And then I just bought a pack of these little hooks, or the earring pieces to attach them to, and just these little jump rings. Then I just attach them to this little stitch up here. Alright, so let me clear off here and then we'll get started. Alright, so what you're going to do is start with your magic ring. However you prefer, you can chain as well, but I prefer to do the magic ring. And of course, this yarn is going to immediately split the second I try to record anything. So you'll just secure it like that. And then I'm going to be working double crochets. So you're going to chain up 2, and this is going to count as your first double crochet. Then you'll yarn over inside the magic ring, pull through 2, pull through 2 again. And I kind of like to just tighten this guy up as we go. So we're gonna do 10 double crochets total. And like I said, this first chain counts as a double crochet, so we have 2 now. 1, 2. 3. 4. 5. And once I get 10, we'll come back here and I'll show you how we close off. Alright, so we're just going to count to make sure we have 10 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you'll just pull your magic ring tight. Be careful not to snap it. I have a really bad habit of doing that sometimes. And what I like to do is find the top of this chain piece over here. Your chain 2. You're gonna slip stitch into this top to close off our little circle. Alright, so from here we're going to do increases. So we're going to chain up 2 for our first double crochet. And then where we worked into this first slip stitch here, we're going to yarn over, do another double crochet. And then you're going to increase in all of these stitches around. We're going to have a total of 20 double crochets by the time we get to the end. Now you can add a stitch marker here if you need to, but usually it's kind of easy to tell when you get back to the other side. Alright, and when we get back around, I'll show you what we do next. Alright, and once you get back here, you're going to make sure you have your 20 stitches around, but then you're going to slip stitch into this top stitch again to close off this last round. Pull it kind of snug. Alright, so we're going to be working into these next few stitches here. Super easy. We're almost finished. So we're going to single crochet into the next stitch, and into the same stitch we're going to do a half double crochet. Alright, and then to the next stitch we're doing a double crochet. That same stitch with the double crochet, you're going to do a treble crochet. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert into that same spot, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2 more. See, we're building up the little bottom part of the aliens, like the chin. Alright, next we're going to work our way down. So we're going to do a double crochet into the next stitch. The same stitch with the double crochet, we're going to do a half double crochet. Last stitch, we're going to do a single crochet. In the same stitch, we're going to do a slip stitch. And what I like to do is in this next one, do one more slip stitch, pull my yarn through, and then we're going to cut and pull it snug. That's literally everything. So next thing you're going to do is weave in your ends, and then I'll meet you right back. Alright, so if you're making the earrings, obviously you're going to make 2 of these. And what I like to do, where I've weaved in my ends, sometimes it's hard to see, like right here, I'm just going to take a little bit of the glue, and since it dries clear, we're just going to put a little tiny bit on there. just to kind of secure the end even more. Definitely don't need that much. Gonna make a mess. I'm just gonna let this dry for a minute. And then you're gonna take your little felt cutouts, get them ready to go. You're going to kind of place them here just to see how you want them. You could totally crochet these, but I kind of like the glitter felt that I found. Just don't mind my cats hissing in the background, acting crazy. Right. So you're just going to put glue on the back of this and stick them on. Alright, once you get your eyes glued on, then you're just going to open up your jump rings if you're going to make them earrings, and I just stick it through this top stitch. We're kind of just gonna test the dangle to make sure it's going the direction you want and not backwards. And then you're just gonna close it. Super cute. Then we have the green version. These would be good, like super cute sewn on as like patches. But if you have any questions or anything, just comment below. Thank you so much for tuning in to my first tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.